Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're looking at Cape Physics Unit 1. Topic is circular motion. For this question, most students will write F equal to mv squared over r, and they never find the acceleration. That one mistake costs you marks every single time. The formula you need for this question is A equal to v squared over r. This is called the centripetal acceleration, not force. Acceleration is v squared over r. The A is the centripetal acceleration, and is in meters per second squared. The V is the speed, is in meters per seconds, and the R is the radius of the circle in meters. Cape will always give you the speed and the radius. They want you to find the acceleration. This is the equation. Acceleration equal to v squared over r. Now let's solve the question together. The question says a car moves around a circular track of radius 50 meters. So our r is 50 meters and a speed of 20. So our speed v is 20 meters per second. Calculate the centripetal acceleration, which is A. It's unknown. Remember, our formula is the centripetal acceleration, A, equal to v squared over r. So next we substitute. So we have my velocity is 20, so our speed is 20 squared over our radius is 50. So therefore our acceleration equal to 20 squared is 20 times 20, that gives us 400 over the radius is 50. So this cancel out. 5 into 40 is 8. So our acceleration is equal to 8 meters per second squared. This is our final answer. The centripetal acceleration is always directed toward the center of the circle. You must always state that in your Cape written answer. I repeat that. The centripetal acceleration is always directed toward the center. This is Basic to Tech. See you in our next video.